Today I'm going to show you how to create dotted halftone pattern effect in Adobe Photoshop. First go to Select and Subject. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new black and white. Create a new layer. Press Shift and F5 to open your fill window. Under the contents, select the 50% gray. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Make sure foreground color is black, and the background is white. Now, go to Filter. And choose Filter Gallery. Open the Sketch folder. And select the halftone pattern. Make the size 1. And the contrast 0. Under the pattern type, select Dot. Then, click New Effect Layer at the bottom. Select the torn edges. Make the image balance 25. The smoothness 13, and the contrast 1. Then press OK. Now, change the blending mode of this layer from normal to hard mix. Go back to Filter. Distort. And Twirl. Make the angle 50 degrees. Hold the Alt key, and click and drag the mask of the black and white layer to the halftone pattern. I'll decrease the fill all the way to 50%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.